copy on earth's copies is his art. That is the art of man. He copies that which itself is a copy of something else. This happens in the world of subtle matter. Ashwapati is exploring the cosmic dimensions, and in that exploration, his first entry into the cosmic fields is the realm of subtle matter. Ashwapati's soul is free from the bondage of the lower nature. Ashwapati's spirit is free from the actions of nature. Nothing now can tie him back, hold him back, restrain his movements, bring limits to his possibilities of adventure and exploration, because his soul is free, his soul is released from nature, his spirit is free from the bondages of external things, and therefore he launches himself on the voyage of the cosmic sea. He would like to explore these expanses of space and time in order to find the cause of that which prevents the progress of the earth, the evolution of the earth. He would like to discover the cause of it. At the same time, he would like to find where the solution for that difficulty would arise, wherefrom he can get the clue, the key for a change that must be effected in this world here, upon the earth, in the mortal creation. That is the main pursuit. It is the driving force in the soul of Ashwapati, which takes him to different places in his cosmic extension. Ashwapati's first entry is in the realm of subtle matter, the closest to the earth, closest to the gross physical. Subtle matter, Sukshma Vishwa. It is there, into that world he is going to enter. That is his first entry. Here, in the subtle world, or the subtle physical world, the laws which govern things are the laws of perfection. Perfection, to cease in every form, is absolute. To cease in every form is absolute. Absolute in shape, absolute in its contents. To feel the touch of the eternal in passing things. That is the first law of perfection in the subtle world, in the realm of subtle matter. To feel the touch of the eternal, eternal in transient and passing things. Here, in this world of subtle matter, is caught a fragment of the design of heaven. The completeness of heaven is there up in the ideal, but a part, a fragment, a portion, an aspect of it is seized in this world of subtle matter. Here, divine surprises life. Divine surprises life. Here is the beauty of form. Form without beauty has no quality that could remain here permanently. But here, divine surprises life. Here is the beauty of form. That is the important thing, and that is possible only in the world of subtle matter. We lack it, we do not have it. The beauty of form upon earth is marred by the presence of death. But in the world of subtle matter, there is the deathlessness of form, and therefore there is also the naturalness of beauty of form. But we miss that thing. Not only we do not have that beauty of form here, we cannot hold that beauty in our limbs, in our physical, in our sthula deha. It is not possible for us to. Even if it enters into us, we are not capable of holding it in us. That is the limitation of the gross physical nature. Too little of what was meant to be lived is lived here. Too little is left behind. Very little of that greatness, of that abundance, only a bit of it is left here behind. Ours is a world which is a difficult world. It is a difficult world. It is a half-finished world, and it suffers because of that, because of its imperfection. Our world suffers because of its imperfection. The beauty of form would like to enter in us. It does, but we cannot hold it, and there is a suffering, there is a lack of beauty, and the difficulty, the problem is of the imperfection of our nature. We then only copy that which itself is a copy. We are not able to hold the true beauty in us. All that we can do is basically make a copy of an object which itself is a copy of its true form elsewhere. It does not come to us. We make paintings, we draw pictures, we do sculptures, but the true painting, the true art which there is unable to see the soul and form and the beauty of the object which is there in the ideal. Our tools are crude, our instruments are incapable of making those designs, of making those paintings, of those physical objects here. It is only a copy of copy. In fact, we are ourselves a copy of copy. Copy twice removed from reality. There is the real object there, the ideal object there. That gets transferred into a copy in the subtle world of matter. and that gets further transcribed on the physical. It is twice removed from the reality. Here is a terrestrial object of divine idea, which is twice removed from the ideal. Here is a transient picture of things, the passing picture of things. Things are too divine for earthly nature's plan. Earthly nature's plan cannot execute those real designs, and they are beyond even the conception of nature, beyond, of course, the execution of those plans. Imperfection, it is that which masks our life. It is that imperfection which brings a kind of an ugliness. It is that which cannot hold the true beauty here in this creation. But the Spirit's greatness is timeless, is beyond the touch of events and moments and circumstances and chance. And our urge should be to live in it, in the greatness of the Spirit. It is for that what we had to struggle. We had to make an attempt to live in the greatness of the Spirit. The reality is we are removed twice from the ideal, but there is something in us which also can drive us towards that perfection, towards that ideal, and it is a kind of an obligation on us to make an attempt to move in that direction. In the meanwhile, to copy on earth's copies is all our art.